Let's see how to use the Accordian widget of the Classic Addons plugin. First open the Elementor editor and click on this plus icon to add a new section, or you can add it in your existing section. Here you can select your preferred layout, and in the left sidebar click on the widgets options and search for the Accordian. Simply click on it to add it in your section. And in the extra class you can add your class for customizing this widget. And the next part is Accordian, and here you can see the items. Let's see the first item, and here you can add the title for the first item, and here you can enter the description for the item. Next, let's change it in the second item. Change the title here and change the description here. If you want to add new item, just click on this add item option and add your title and enter your description here. And if you want to multi open, just click on this option. The next option is icon. Here you can upload your SVG file, or you can choose from icon library. The next option is active icon. Here you can upload your SVG file, or you can upload it from the icon library. And the next one is icon alignment. You can add it in the start or the end. Let's moving on to style area, and here you can see accordion padding and margin value. Enter your preferred value here. And the next one is border type. Here you can choose your preferred border type. And next one is border radius. Enter your preferred border radius here. And the next one is box shadow. Here you can choose your preferred box shadow style. And the next option is background color. If you want to add background color, you can choose your preferred color here. And next one is accordion spacing. Here you can give preferred space. And the next part is title. Here you can choose the font style and font family for the title. And the next option is color and background color. You can change it in the normal and overview. Let's change the title color now. And the next one is title tag. Here you can choose the preferred tag. The next one is padding. Here you can give preferred inner space value for the title. The next one is border type. If you want to set border, you can choose the type of the border here, and you can set the border radius value here. The next one is alignment. You can choose the preferred alignment here. The next one is icon style. You can choose the icon color here. Also you can change it in the overview. And the next one is icon margin. You can enter your preferred value. And the next part is content. Here you can change the font family and font style for the content. The next option is color. Here you can change the color of the content. The next one is background color. The next option is alignment. Here you can change the alignment of the content. The next option is margin and padding. Here you can enter your preferred value. Finally update it. Let's check it in the output.